Hey everybody, so this is how you're going to put a drop-down list into a Google Sheet. When you do this, I would make sure that you start with your first page, you get your first page exactly the way you want it with all of your drop-down lists, and then across the bottom, duplicate them and change the dates. But I would make sure that you set up your first page exactly the way you want it first so that all you have to do from here on out is hit duplicate when you need a new week. So I'm going to click on this column here, and I'm going to say data validation. I'm going to do a list of items because I'm not going to do a range of numbers. And then in here, I'm going to type Zoom, Seesaw, phone, email, and other, because those would be the ways that I might be having contact with a student. Then I'm going to go down here and click Save. And now you'll see that those list items are in here. Now, I'm going to have to do this for each column that I want to do it. So same thing. And in order to keep from having to type these things over and over, what I'll do before I hit save on this one, so I'll do Zoom, email, other, I'm going to copy it and hit save so that when I go to the other ones, I can just paste. List of items, paste. Data validation, list of items, paste. So once again, I'm selecting the column. I'm going to data validation. I'm changing this to list of items. If I try to type those words in when it still says range, it will tell me it's invalid. So I need to make sure this says list of items, pasting it in, save. Now I've got this whole week set up exactly the way I want it. So now as I continue on, if I want to add weeks, I'm just going to click down at the bottom. I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to rename it to 10, 5 through 9. And then I can go in and I can just change these dates here. 5, 6. So that's another cool trick here. If you double click on this, when you have dates typed in, it automatically recognizes it as a calendar date and it will go ahead and pull up a calendar for you so that you can select from there, making it much easier. And so that is all you really need to do to edit this form.